Hello everyone, I'm the Alan and I'm back with episode 2. What's the best way to learn music theory? Let's find out. Okay, so last week we spoke about why it's important for you to learn music theory. So today we're talking about the easiest way to learn music theory. So is it learning to write music? Let's go to the whiteboard. No whiteboard for you today because we need to lay some groundwork first before we get into all that theory stuff. There's something that you have to do in the very beginning. So the first thing would be a combination of singing and listening. No, listening first and then you sing. Okay, so I'm going to sing you this melody and the first step, listen. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I'm just going to go up and down for you. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So you have to memorize this melody, and to prove that you've actually memorized it, you have to be able to sing it, exactly like I did it. Okay, so for this exercise, it doesn't matter how much experience you have or what instrument you play, or if you play an instrument at all. So why is it important for you to practice this? Lots of reasons. The first one is we're going to learn a lot of theory things in future episodes, and you have to associate whatever we're learning with sound. So if we learn to write something, or if we learn anything at all, you have to be able to associate that with sound, because music is all about sound. And to prove that you know the sound, you have to be able to reproduce it. That's why it's important for you to sing these things. Okay, so reason number 2, if your brain can reproduce the sound that you actually want to make, then it's also easier for you to make your instrument make that same sound. So you will now be able to use your instrument like your voice number 2. So from next week, we'll be talking about scales. What are scales? What's the big deal with scales? How many of them are there? And all those things we'll learn next week. But for now, you can comment with anything you want to comment. If you have a question or whatever, I'll read the comments. Leave them there. And by the way, guys, I'm still starting out, so your likes are really significant to me at this moment. Your likes and comments and support generally. So please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Boom, 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 boom.